very Christmassy edition of Pat and Pals. Yeah. So what we did was we did Secret Santa. It's not really secret because we know each other. We used one of those apps.
But it was really
it is secret, but there's
It wasn't. No.
Did you tell each other?
No, we know because if I got you, then Elisa's obviously got me, and vice versa.
I think next time what we should do is we should do it like names in a hat, and Mike draws them out.
Okay.
Because then he can email us separately. He can email us separately then.
Yeah, but it's never. I can't. So if I bought your present and you bought my present, Barbara can't buy her own present.
No, but I think
it's never going to work
because of that thing online. It would already make sure that you don't have that's not possible. You cannot have each other.
Yeah, so no matter what happens, we're all going to have... Unless we include Mike. That's what we should do next time.
Mike should
join. Then it's more random. There you are.
There we go.
But then we did Secret Santa. Sorry, long story short.
Yeah,
we did
that was a ramble.
Santa. We did Secret Santa and we bought each other presents.
Yes. And then we thought maybe it would be fun for you guys to see what we bought each other.
Yes. So the rules were, it was a £20 budget.
Yeah.
There had to be include fabric and at least one surprise.
Yeah.
Right, that's what it is. So we're going to swap
presents
now.
We all totally stuck to the budget.
Yes, I totally stuck to the budget.
Did you not stick
to Did you not? You're naughty.
You're naughty.
Let's just open them up.
Should we
Who's going first? No, let's not. Otherwise,
do it. You go first.
Okay, I'll go first.
And then you have to hold it up so people can see, because last time I don't think people saw when we were opening up.
Okay. And we'll also take a picture and...
Yeah.
Ooh, I love this washi tape.
I hope you like it.
Oh my god, it's my colour and yes,
it's so nice.
Labels.
That's a good choice.
So you've got because it was the end of the roll, so you got a wee bit extra. You got 2 meters 20.
Wow!
So I thought that
this is like a I could do like a whole dress.
Yeah. Well, I thought even like if you wanted lounge pajamas for when you're in Norway. And you wanted something fancy, you know, I thought you'd have enough.
What is it? What is the content?
It's polyester, it's a polyester hammered
but it
satin,
so...
but it's really nice, yeah.
But this is my colour, isn't it? It was like my eyes, usually I can greens.
I was thinking of your eyes.
Oh, and thread. Is this the
so that's the recycled thread? Yes.
I've been meaning to try this out, and I haven't yet. So
it's
I'm really excited.
Good. I used it for something. I can't remember what it was, but it's just regular. It is a wee bit thicker, but it doesn't really affect anything when you're sewing.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And you're nice to the planet as well.
And it's just feels soft. Yeah, that's why exactly I wanted to try it out.
Too.
And these labels.
And these are the limited multi-pack.
Oh.
I thought you'd like them.
Yes. Amazing.
But so I just saw this and I thought, I was looking around because so you probably all know I work at So Me Sunshine. So when you work in a fabric shop, I was like, I probably don't need to go anywhere else. And then I was looking around all the different fabrics and I was like, I don't know, maybe this one, maybe that one. And then I don't know, this was just your colour.
Yes.
It is.
Yes. 100%.
It's Barbara.
Yeah.
Yes. Love it. Thank you so much.
That's all right.
You did a very good job.
Thanks.
I'm so excited.
You go, because you're mega excited.
Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm going to go for little first, because I always like opening little. Oh, it's Min as well.
Well, of course it has.
It has to be, because then when I make it, it'll be Barbara. Oh, that's so nice.
I need
a bit of mint piping in my life.
Oh, nice.
It doesn't actually go with
mint piping and oh wow.
Oh wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's
amazing.
It's got so many things why it's perfect. Do you want to know them all?
Yes.
So I picked this because it's ladies in very big coats. So when you wear this, you'll be thinking of me because that will be me in Oslo. Oh. And then I saw that it's a Dutch designer for cotton and steel. But I can read all of this. This is all Dutch Piet and Kees.
Look at the little lady's face.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
So it's like Dutch fabric as well,
and it's got little. It's we'll take a photo of it and put it on our Instagram. But it's got little metallic hearts. Is it hearts or is it?
No, it's like little stones.
That one's a heart.
Rain.
That's a heart.
Oh, yeah, but it's like little.
It might be not a deliberate heart.
I love it.
But it's a meter and a half, not a lot, but hopefully you'll get something out of that.
You get a shirt out of it.
I'll get a really cool shirt.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And it'll be great for your new job as well. You'll be like, look at me.
In the desk, hi. Oh my god.
But
Oh,
yeah,
I love it so
that
much.
one
I've not
me.
seen. Oh my god,
Yes.
so beautiful.
I was
Thank
almost scared
you.
that if you would have
No.
seen it somewhere, that you might have.
No, I haven't seen this either.
Do you know? I know it's also you in your big coat, but also Lisa in her big coat.
yeah, so you could be thinking of us.
Oh, I love it.
So I got this from I can say this 10.
It does match.
It does match, babe.
Look.
It matches the
Oh,
lady's
it does.
hair.
It does match there.
Oh.
But
Where's he?
you open yours up. I will
Remember.
mention this because the shop is awesome, and then I might just sort of blur it out at some point,
was like-
and we will.
I've been
Maybe.
extra, so I was inspired by So Haley
Yeah, I've
Jones'
got
box.
like a big ball.
Um,
You can keep this. You can
No,
actually
the
do some
ribbon's
good
part of
stuff.
it.
Yeah.
It's included.
So just
I've been very frugal. Anyone who knows
So
me, I
pop
can buy
that
what
over
I'm
here.
a frugal lady.
gonna open it this way. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god!
There's a lot. Sorry, guys. I don't know how
That's
good.
amazing. I
The
mean, like,
pattern's amazing. I'm not sure how together it is, but I just saw
I
the
mean,
ladies.
I'm sure that this. I mean, like, I can use it. For, we'll
can
have
make
a
it
look.
work.
And then, gosh, Louise, there's so much in here. So Louise has also made me some reusable face
Cotton
cotton
things.
pads.
So you just put what cleanser or whatever you
Yeah, and then
use,
just
and
stick
then
them in
soak
the
it,
water,
and then
yeah.
just do it. And I've done it.
And in this
it's
little-
all recyclable. They're from Tiger.
Oh yeah, perfect. And then you can keep them in.
Yeah,
So
and then
pretty.
this is the wash bag. It's like a little Hessian.
Oh,
yes,
wash
amazing.
bag.
Thank you. And then I got a cookie.
You can. There's one for Mike too. The
There's
girls
one for
decorated it.
I was like,
Oh,
the girls' hell.
Yeah.
That's so
yeah.
cool.
I'm
There's
gonna see if
unicorns
I
and
can-
rainbows and.
I'm gonna see if I can show you. Hang on.
Aww.
That's excellent.
Yeah.
There we go. Everything you could want in a cookie.
Aw.
And more.
Maybe also teeth decay, but it's all right.
I mean,
The amount of sprinkles.
gosh, Louise, you've lemon.
Do you wanna put it here?
Put that there. Gonna open this wee one.
It's my favourite thing about Christmas is giving the gifts.
Yeah.
You set me a challenge of £20, I just went for it.
Gosh, you really did. Oh, this is like really bad opening. Like, well done, me.
The lady
You're
really
almost
wrapped
there,
that.
almost there.
Sorry.
Oh my! They're
So-
amazing. I'm gonna put them on now.
I already knew I
That's-
wanted to get her those. I
Yeah,
told
the
Barbara about
colour
them.
is so.
So I set my gift as that's the price of that. Let's see what I can,
Okay.
what fabric I can get, and everything else around it.
I love.
They're
that.
perfect, aren't they?
the
No,
colour
like
is
they're
just so
they're
new.
resin with little
Like
turquoise pressed flowers in it. Oh, these
They're
are
from
gonna be,
Accessorize as well,
my
they're
new-
really cute.
Accessorize sometimes do really nice. It's a bit hit and miss, but like.
Right
Yeah,
now
exactly,
they
I was
are on
about
point.
to say, like, not
Yeah.
always.
Right now they are doing
And
wonderful
then
things.
I have.
So you have 2 meters of that.
Yeah,
It's your colours.
yeah.
Is that all right?
No, take it back.
I saw it in the shop and I was like, this is a lady, and it's a really soft one as well.
Yeah.
And it's like, again, like
Sexy.
all of the colours that you love.
And I thought it's like thistles and
Yeah,
It's
this is
pretty
like a
nice.
really vintage print. Like,
It feels really soft.
so this fabric's from Walthamstow. Because I knew I wanted to get those earrings, I wanted to save as much money as possible. So I went to Walthamstow and shot my little heart out. And these are the 2 fabrics that shouted Lisa.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Aye.
Definitely.
I'm glad you like them.
well,
So-
this is amazing.
yeah,
'cause
this
I
is
can
going to-
make
next
a yellow
video-
cardigan, and I already have a pink one. So you know that's exciting. And then this is just like.
This
So
is
there
going
we
to be
go.
us.
So this is the Christmas gifts that you can get with fabric.
So we're actually filming this on the day that we're going to the new craft house party, which is also why my makeup is so fancy. I don't normally
Oh, you don't?
No, funny.
Oh, and
funny.
also because this is gonna
So,
come out before the gable as well.
Oh yeah, so you will see our gables, but in the next video
If
we'll
you're
talk
not
to
sure
them
what a
about-
gable is,
it's
that's
a
the
top
pattern.
Yes. So I can't. You keep saying so a lot. I'm sorry. So.
It's about sewing, so I guess you're okay.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah. I completely forgot what I was going to say. That's
No,
good
I guess
time, isn't it?
that's we're heading to the party.
Yeah, we're
It-
heading to the party, so I do have a dress that I'm going to wear, but I think I might just go out like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tie a
That
belt
works.
around me.
Yeah.
Proper disco.
let's go.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
But yeah, we'll release this just before Christmas, so we also want to wish you a very Merry Christmas!
And before we finish, I'm sorry I've been naughty and I've got an extra thing I just want to say, and I'm going to hijack it just slightly. Right.
What?
Wait. No, wait. Right. So, I have extra gifts for both of you and for Mike. Mike, you'll have to wait in because it's heavy. So, right, there's a reason I'm giving you extra gifts.
What?
Is because I want to mention just something. So, the last 6 months, I've been struggling very badly with my mental health. And the reason I want to mention it is because Christmas is a really hard time of year.
Yeah.
And so the reason I want to mention it and I want to give you thank you gifts is because I've really, really struggled and I've had the most awful time, and I'm now at the end. I feel like I'm at the end. I'm still going to struggle, but I'm at the end of that at the moment, and it's thanks to these incredible people, my incredible family, and also you guys, because one of the reasons I carried on sewing and I carried on getting out of bed and carried on just doing wonderful things is because we bring this episodes out, and it's a reason for me to carry on making. And I did, and I carried on making because we had these videos, and it made me get out of bed. It also made me keep in contact with these guys, and I think I would have been a lot worse if it hadn't been for that. And the reason I want to mention it is because when I'm at my worst, hearing other people's stories really made me feel not better, but just less alone. So if anyone's watching this or knows someone that's struggling, just reach out to them, let them know they're not alone, and just so that you know you're not alone. There's so many great things out there that can help you. There's so many wonderful people out there that can help you. So don't struggle on your own. You're not alone. A lot of people struggle with mental health and anxiety, and I just want you to know that you aren't alone, and just reach out and ask for some help, and you'll be amazed by what amazing people there is and how far you can come in such a short time. I had to leave my job, I had to rebuild myself, but now I have a new amazing job. I feel much better about myself.
As you should.
I even have new hair colour. I feel incredible now, and I feel brilliant, and it's part of the reason I feel so amazing is because of these wonderful beautiful people. And I just wanted to hijack the end of the show just to say that because I want to make sure that everyone knows that no matter what you're going through, it will get better, and just go and get some help.
Definitely.
Okay?
Group hug.
Love you guys! Sorry.
So are we opening this up now?
Can I pass Mike's thing? And I got Mike's beer.
I agree with every single word you just said. It's so sweet.
It's from Finland, Mike.
There's more booze.
Mike deserves loads of points.
Wow, that's beautiful.
They're sterling silver, and they're just they're gemstones. They're really nice. And yours, I know you don't usually, but it's the right green. Yeah. And I didn't know.
Louise, these are amazing.
So these aren't Christmas gifts. These are thank you, I love you gifts.
You didn't need
we
to
love
do
you
any.
too.
I know I didn't.
I love you gifts.
But I wanted to. That's what I wanted to do.
know.
But yeah, I love you. And
we
love you
too.
all.
Okay. Well, on
That's
that
it.
note,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas
And a Happy New Year.
Sorry for ruining your makeup like she did with mine. I'm like, bye guys.
Mike's got something now.
Mike has got something too. Look what he made us. It's
but you
again
didn't make
green.
one for his wife. You didn't? Oh, not yet. I'm just joking.
Look, I don't know. So we'll put a photo in because
you can take them out for now.
yeah. So it's a spool holder. So he's got like a 3D printer, and it says Pattern Pals Christmas 2019.
It's so nice.
And that's our gift. And then you can put like different spools, and then this is sort of the type of thing that you can put on your table and then have your favorite colors.
Yeah, it also fits in the drawer, so it's not
perfect,
so high that it won't.
So for all my black,
there you
white,
go.
grey, and green threads.
Yeah. And mine's all the colours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She might need a few more. Oh yeah.
But yeah.
Everyone.
This is an extra special Oh,
look
love
how
you
good
guys.
that
This is
looks.
amazing. Thank you, Mike. Not only do you
Honestly.
edit our show and do all these wonderful
also
things,
makes
you
us
now just
presents.
make us presents.
He's pretty great.
Yeah, he's already married, guys. Like, I know what you're
Sorry.
thinking, but yeah, she's
Yeah.
already on it.
Yeah.
On it. That
On it.
sounds. Don't.
Okay, on that note, yeah,
We're
Merry
going to have
Christmas
a
and Happy
drink.
New Year.
Yeah, we're
And
gonna
see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
There you are.
Oh my gosh, I'm so spoiled.